Hello, awesome Pranav. You and 5am Club are like an angel who have helped me fulfill my desire of awaking in Brahma Muhurta, doing my Guru Puja, yoga, pranayam, meditation before sunrise, so I could feel that fresh air, calm and peaceful environment around, and most importantly, the me time. It also helped me realize that anything is possible if we have a control over our lazy minds. So, thanks to you and 5am Club family. Thank you very much.
5M Club yo, Pranav yo, Manjiri yo. If your morning start with such a nice, energetic manner, definitely it's nothing precious than that. And I'm very much lucky to be a part of this 5M Club. Uh, so I'm thankful to Pallavi. Actually, she introduced me, so that's why. Thank you, Pallavi, you too. And Pranav, for your initiative, you are taking a nice initiative, and it's really gonna hire. And it's a, I think 5M Club is an opportunity for those who are giving excuses for time. And in my case, definitely I'm getting enough time for doing my daily work, daily responsibilities, and along with that I'm doing some extra activity for that day which I scheduled for that day. And by the end of day you have no regret about time, at least for time to no regret. And it's countless, means it gives you very much satisfaction and very much happiness, and again give added some confidence, so that you can make another opportunity for the next day. So thank you very much, Pranav and team. The group synergy makes a vital role into it. So thank you very much, and all the best for your journey.
Hey Pranav, Mahi here. I would like to thank the entire team of 5am Club who helped me achieve my goal of waking up early. And I was trying to do it from a lot of days, but I wasn't able to implement it. And also, when I started with the activity, I wasn't really sure if I would be able to complete it, but I did it and it feels great. So, thank you for the inspiration.
5 a.m. club is such a beautiful idea because it not just allows you to fulfill your own dream of waking up at 5 a.m. and being consistent at it for 21 days and making it a habit for yourself, but it also helps you to motivate others in your group and help them to fulfill their dreams or their uh, goal of waking up at 5 a.m. So it's a wonderful initiative, and the group uh, enjoys it so much that they almost become a family caring for each other. So I think that's the essence of 5 a.m. Club.
5 AM क्लब ने ठंडी ठंडी सुबह उठाना सिखाया। 5 AM क्लब ने हंसना सिखाया। 5 AM क्लब ने जिंदगी जीना सिखाया। 5 AM क्लब ने अपनी लाइफ पे चार्ज लेना सिखाया। 5 AM क्लब ने खुद की जिंदगी खुद लिखना सिखाया। 5 AM क्लब ने जीना सिखाया। सो थैंक्स टू 5 AM क्लब। 5 AM क्लब यो, प्रणव दादा यो।
Good morning, everyone. Waking up at 5 o'clock always give more time, such that you can concentrate on more things, such that on your mental health, on your physical health, and you get more time to work on many things. And I would like to thank you for this 5 AM club for this wonderful opportunity. Thank you, Pranav.
Hey Pranav, thanks a lot for introducing me to 5am Club. Your initiative is fantastic. It made me try something very different, something I never imagined. 21 days successfully of waking up at 5am, all thanks to you and the wonderful community you've created through the club. Thank you so much. Hope 5am Club shines in future. 5am Club, yo!
Good morning, everybody. Each day is a promise of new joys to gain if you look for the rainbow instead of the rain. And this is what 5am Club reminds us of every single day. Congratulations, all of us, for coming this far. An immense gratitude to Pranav and occasional Tony for starting this, for being there for transforming all of us. Thank you very much. Hats off.
Theoretically, I knew what I would do if I woke up 2 hours early, but I was not able to implement it for so long. 5 a.m. Club acted as a pivot for me and helped me in building on this habit. Thank you, 5 a.m. Club, for all the support, and thank you, Pranav, for pushing us to achieve this. Thank you.